Repair of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S 8.4. The biggest highlight of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S 8.4 is undoubtedly its display. The high-resolution Super AMOLED unit is simply a joy to look at and a perfect place to gobbling up any content. Thanks to its gorgeous 8.4 inches Super AMOLED display with 2560 by 1600 pixels, sleek body, and powerful hardware, it is an awesome tablet. It developed some problem a few years ago. The screen will restart by itself, so I kept the tablet until I found a way to repair it.